With a top speed of 2,193.2 miles per hour, the SR-71 used 1 hour 54 minutes to fly from New York to the UK and could survey 100,000 square miles per hour. There are other amazing facts. Today's video discusses 7 things you need to know about SR-71 Blackbird amid ongoing Ukraine-Russia war. Let's go! Origin of its name. The ongoing tension between Russia and Ukraine reminds us of only one thing: the Cold War, which eventually led to the creation of the SR-71 Blackbird. The world's fastest aircraft is a development of 2 spy jets, the Lockheed U-2 and the A-12. After the 1960 incident where France's Gary Powers, who was piloting the U-2, was shot down in Soviet airspace, Lockheed realized the vulnerability of the U-2 and the need for a new aircraft that could cruise at Mach 3.2 and fly well above 60,000 feet. That was when one of the first ever stealth aircraft, A-12, was created. This single-seater jet was later developed into a 2-crew-member jet, which would later be known as the Lockheed SR-71, the SR standing for Strategic Reconnaissance. It gained its nickname from its black color. The question is, why was it painted black, knowing black absorbs heat and could cause the jet to overheat and malfunction? We will answer that later. World's fastest. The Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird first test flight was on December 22, 1964, and up till today, it is the world's fastest jet that has flown with an official top speed of Mach 3.3. For instance, in 1976, the SR-71 flew at a sustained horizontal altitude of 85,069 feet and reached a top speed of 2,193.2 miles per hour, 3,529.6 kilometers per hour, or Mach 3.3, a speed no other manned jet has gone past. It was so fast it could survey 100,000 square miles per hour of the Earth's surface and took only 1 hour, 54 minutes to fly from New York to the UK.
I have to say, that's the most amazing story I ever heard.
Even missiles do not have the higher altitude maneuverability as the SR-71. It is so fast that the only way the SR-71 escapes missiles is to accelerate away. It attributes this next-level speed to its advanced engine. We will discuss that later. It is also believed to have flown about 26 kilometers above the planet's surface, as stated by Real Engineering.
A long-range plane capable of flying 26 kilometers above the surface of the planet, so high that the pilots could see the curvature of the planet and the inky black of space from their cockpits.
The SR-71 has even other crazier features. Subscribe to our channel. We have everything you need to know about the Lockheed SR-71. Stealth. A vital part of the design of the SR-71 that made it invulnerable to shoot down was its stealth or low observable technology. The stealth feature aims to hide the SR-71 while giving enemy forces no indication of its movement, as specific shapes of planes reduce detection by redirecting electromagnetic radiation waves from radars. It is no wonder the SR-71 had flattened, tapering sides that reflected radar away from where the beams originated. The plane also used unique radar-absorbing materials, which were incorporated into the skin of the aircraft, as well as cesium-based fuel additives to reduce the exhaust plume's visibility on radar. However, because the plane did not have other elements of today's stealth technologies, it still had a substantial infrared signature when cruising at Mach 3+. High temperature. The astonishing speed of the SR-71 caused it to overheat often. At Mach 3, which is 3 times the speed of sound, the SR-71 temperature ranged from about 315 to 480 degrees Celsius, depending on its altitude. This physical phenomenon caused air molecules to smash each other at high speeds, resulting in higher pressure and temperatures. The aerodynamic friction of the SR-71 generated so much heat that engineers had to develop new designs and materials to reduce this immense heat. Could this high temperature also result from the jet's black color? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section. Engine. The SR-71 was run by the Pratt & Whitney J58 engines, the only military engines ever designed to operate continuously on an afterburner, and became more efficient as the aircraft went faster. The J-58 was a hybrid of two jet engines, a turbojet engine and a ramjet engine, and was built for extreme speeds, with their ultimate cruising speed at Mach 3.2. This engine was the defense weapon of the SR-71 in the sense that it enabled the jet to outrun missile attacks, as quoted from the SR-71 Blackbird documentary. If a surface-to-air missile launch was detected, the standard evasive action was simply to accelerate and outfly the missile. Kelly Johnson, a designer of the Blackbird, also stated that out of over 1,000 missiles launched towards the SR-71, not even one hit it. This immense speed is a result of the powerful J-58 engines. Why black? Most airplanes are painted white because the color white reflects heat and prevents planes from overheating. In contrast, black absorbs heat. So why use the color black for SR-71? Kirchhoff's rule of radiation states that a good heat absorber, like a black object, is also an equal heat emitter. Therefore, this black color helped radiate heat away from the SR-71, meaning that the black paint was never a problem. Optical features. Its camera system is a vital feature of the SR-71 that is often overlooked. Originally built as a spine aircraft, it boasts optical, infrared imagery systems, which range from a Fairchild fair-resolution tracking camera and an HRB Singer infrared tracking IR camera to two of ITEK's operational objective cameras, OOC, that provided stereo imagery left and right of the flight track, an ITEK optical bar camera that replaced the OOCs, and two of Hicon's technical objective cameras that could look straight down or up to 45 degrees left or right of centerline. With these advanced cameras, it is no surprise that the SR-71 could detect missile attacks from miles away. It's been almost 6 decades since the SR-71 was created, and not even today's technological advancements beat its immense speed, which is evident in a GTAV Lockheed SR-71 test flight. With even missiles being unable to battle it, there is still no way to stop this powerful jet. Rush it in defeat, no way to stop Mach 3 SR-71 Blackbird. Still, World Fastest Aircraft talks more about the unstoppable SR-71. Watch it on our channel, and see you next time.